So this is going to be a 10 minutes short video. And today we are going to be learning about that how we can make use of Canva Magic Studio that do in few minutes so that you are able to create your own stories, documents right away. So first things first that whenever you want to create any kind of document, any kind of stories, so you need to have in your login account into the Canva. Okay, so whenever you want to log into the Canva account, so I'm going to be sharing the link of the Canva account right there in the description. Alongside, if you wish to connect with me in person, you can feel free to do that. I'll be sharing my connecting links of the LinkedIn as well on the chat box, so feel free to connect with us. So without any further ado, let me quickly hop over and take you to the particular platform of Canva. So this is our beautiful Canva platform, and here, first thing I would like to tell you is that do not get overwhelmed with all the different kind of options, menus that you're able to see here. Okay, because not everything is going to be relevant for us. However, we are going to be focusing into the most important features and most important icons that you should be aware of. So here to begin with, I will first take you to the home page. So as and when you hop into the home page, you will be able to see that we have a beautiful magic wand in front of us. So in terms of the magical wand, I am talking about the search icon. With this search icon or with this search bar, you will be in a capacity to search anything and everything that you would like to create and construct. So here, per se, if I want to go ahead and create a presentation, right? So I will just type in presentation and you are able to see that on top we have these three options. You have your designs, you have your templates, you have Canva with AI. So let me take you through them one by one. First thing is your designs. Your designs would tell you that all the designs that you would have created. So this is my personal account and hence it's showing some of the designs that I have created. Along with that, if in case you are new to this platform, you can make use of the templates where you will find the presentation templates and you can feel free to search for the kind of template that you would like to go ahead and make use of. Now here what I would like to point about is that you will find that there are few of the premium templates. So if in case you wish to make use of them, you can opt in for the premium account or else you can just make use of the other templates that are freely and widely available on the Canva account already. So you can make use of these templates. Another beautiful option that has recently been launched in Canva is the Canva AI. So if I take you to the Canva AI, I can just write presentation and maybe I want a marketing presentation, right? So I can just search for it. So I have just given a prompt and I can just go ahead and submit this. You would see that how it's going to be taking me, rerouting me to the AI part, and it will ask me what kind of output that I would want, whether I want a minimalistic kind of presentation, a playful, organic, geometric. So there are wide variety. I can pick and choose the kind I would like to have. Also, you can mention the tone, whether you want it to be a casual one, professional, or educational, and what should be the bandwidth in terms of the pages. Once you feel that you have set up everything, you can just go ahead and submit, and there you go. It's going to be creating a presentation for you, along with you, with the kind of thing that you have provided, with all the inputs. And then I can just go ahead and state as generate designs. All right, so there we go. You're able to see it has created the PowerPoint presentation for us. We can just go ahead and move along and check it. Also, if you want to make use of the Canva editor so that you are able to beautify, your presentation, you can make use of the editor where it's going to be rerouting you back onto the Canva. Now, once it takes you back to the Canva, and if you want to make changes onto your presentation, right, you can make use of these headers. So for example, if I want to change the header, you can see how beautifully Canva is highlighting the area where exactly I am going to be making the changes, right? So in your, let's say if I want to make changes onto my second slide, I can move ahead and make the changes as per maybe the kind of output in terms of the word format that I want, or maybe in terms of the images that I want. All right. Another thing that I want to talk about when we are in the presentation mode is that you can zoom in and zoom out using this icon right here. So with the help of this, you can make use and you can avail the benefits of sizing it out. Also, you do have this grid option. So this grid option helps you to pick and choose, like you can move the slides here and there as per how you want to align it. All right. So moving back, if I take you back over here, in here, if I take you back to the home page back again, you can see again, we do have a couple of options being available over here. Right? So in this, we have the LinkedIn background. So we can generate and create our LinkedIn background. We can create Excel sheets, our documents, whiteboard presentation, social media, photograph editor, video printables. There are different options. So since we have seen the presentation, let me take you to the presentation area once again here. So you will be able to see it's again going to be taking us to the presentation mode here. And by default, you will be able to see on the left-hand side, it will provide you with certain kind of templates. Now, depending on the kind of template that you would want, so maybe minimalistic, typically, or maybe in terms of color, or if you want to search, so it's showing my previously searched, the kind of templates that I want. So let's say if I want to search basics education, I can just go ahead and search for it. And you can pick and choose your presentation the way you want it to be. All right, so per se, I want to make use and I can apply all of them. All right, once that is being done, you will be able to see all your slides beneath. And again, you can just go ahead and make changes onto your slides the way you want it to be. Okay, so the last thing maybe that I would want to highlight for today's session is that over here, not only presentation, but you can search for different kind of things. Like, let's say there are so many festivities coming up. Let's say there is Christmas approaching and I want to create some Christmas postcards. Right? So I would just go ahead and mention about the Christmas postcards. Maybe if I want to go ahead and talk about templates, and here I can select. So I want to create a sheet, a doc, a presentation video, okay, or whatever. If I want to print it, if I want to create a presentation, I can just go ahead and select that. Or maybe if I again go back, here I can create a postcard using my AI as well. So it's just brainstorming and creating my postcard for me. And there we go. With few clicks, you are all set and ready with your postcard. So you can just go ahead, make changes, add on images, and you can go ahead and share it. So which reminds me that whenever you wish to share, you have the share icon and you can share it with the people. You can download it. You can create a template as well, which is again a pro service. If you wish to avail, you can make use of it. And with that, I am just going to be closing the day for today, and I will see you with another short video in some time. See you all.